Why do stars twinkle? First, we have to understand why we see anything at all. Our eyes work by deciphering the light that bounces off objects that we are trying to look at. So, we see stars because they enter our eyes as a product of the nuclear reaction inside of stars. The stars that we see are due to the light that has passed through space uninterrupted until it reaches the Earth. Upon reaching the Earth, it hits the turbulent atmosphere, all of the oxygen and nitrogen molecules, and the light interacts and bounces off them in weird ways. The atmosphere is constantly shifting and moving, so there's much less free space for the light to pass uninterrupted without hitting our eyes. So when the beam reaches our eyes, it comes in from multiple different directions and even may miss our eyes altogether. And our brains interpret that relative motion as the star slightly moving in space or twinkling.
In order to understand why stars twinkle, we're going to do a simple experiment. So, you're going to need a laser pointer and a piece of paper with a small hole in it, or anything that has a small hole. So the laser pointer is supposed to represent the small beam of light that you would get off of a star. At least it seems small to us because we're on Earth, which is so far away from the stars. And the small piece of paper with the small little hole is supposed to simulate having the interference that the light is going to reach when it reaches the Earth's atmosphere and has to interact with all of the molecules in the air. Okay, so now we pretend that this little beam of light is our light from a star. This constant beam of light is what you should see because, like, if the Earth had no atmosphere. But if you add the little piece of paper with the hole that I showed you earlier, now we can see that the light is flickering. This is very much like what happens when the light beams from the stars gets knocked around by the Earth's atmosphere. As such, we perceive the stars as twinkling.
Wow, how did we get here?
I don't know.
Oh, look at all the pretty stars.
Yeah, they are pretty.
Wait, why aren't they twinkling?
Because we're in space, can't you tell?
Yeah, but what does that have to do with twinkling stars? Don't they twinkle everywhere?
No, they don't. They only twinkle where there's an atmosphere. There's no atmosphere in space.
Really?
Yeah. Here, follow me.
Row your boat.
Shut up.
Okay.
Do you know where we are now?
Is that the moon?
Yep. And here are Louis Armstrong's feet.
Louis? Oh, okay.
You idiot, that's Neil's feet. But look,
Okay.
look around. See the stars?
Yeah.
Here they kind of twinkle just a little bit because the moon has a little tiny atmosphere.
Yeah, I see that. Earth stars twinkle more, though.
Yeah, that they do.
Can we go play in the moon dust?
Nah, let's just fade away.
Okay.